This motorcycle was created through the collaboration of two giant entities of motorcycle manufacturing in Taiwan and Thailand. This motorcycle has been born with the two companies, namely SYM and GPX, with their long-time expertise in crafting the best of the best. Introducing the new SYM GPX Drone 150 scooter. This scooter has been equipped with a 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder 4-valve single overhead cam and a fuel-injected engine. With the SYM branded engine CVT, this motorcycle can decently produce an output of 15 horsepower, and because this is a 4-valve fuel-injected engine, you can expect the fuel consumption to be at a considerably efficient rate. The fuel consumption of the motorcycle ranges from 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. That indeed is already an efficient rate, as it is already very close to a fuel consumption of a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle. GPX drone can reach a top speed of 128 kilometers per hour, so with its engine alone you'll get a decent power while consuming less fuel. Speaking of fuel, the fuel tank capacity of the motorcycle is 7.5 liters. Looking at the Drone 150 motorcycle, at first glance you will really see three motorcycles being combined to become one. From the side view, this motorcycle kind of gets its physical attribute from the Honda ADV, while the frontal view gets the combination of AEROX and NMAX. It also has a naked handlebar which is very sporty and cool looking. Everything about this motorcycle actually complements to one another, including its smoked windshield that is already built into the motorcycle. As to the dimension, this motorcycle is interestingly higher and a bit wider, compared to Yamaha AEROX, but to an average height or average build person, this should still be very drivable and easy to handle while driving. The motorcycle has a built-in tire hugger. The tire size on the front is 100 by 90, while the rear is 110 by 80. Both wheels are already utilizing a disc brake system, but without an ABS. It could have been way better if ABS was equipped. However, they already equipped the front of the motorcycle with a dual piston caliper as a makeup of it. As to the electrical, the Drone 150 now has a frontal pocket with its USB charging port, an all-LED lighting system from the headlight down to the turn signal, a fully digital instrument panel, a keyless system, an 18-liter under-seat storage which can conveniently fit a half-face helmet or a full-face helmet depending on the brand and styles. Plus this has a wide footrest board which extends to the front and to the back of the motorcycle. Do you love motorcycle information videos like this? Please comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.